In his video about herbs in cooking, Gordon Ramsay notes that soft herbs like oregano are delicate, so for maximum flavor, we should always use them at the end of cooking, or simply add them as they are to cold dishes. So, are you ready to unlock the culinary secrets of top chefs, and transform your dishes with a simple herb? If so, in this video, we're diving into the world of oregano, revealing how this powerful ingredient can elevate your cooking to gourmet levels. Stay tuned to discover the tips and tricks that will make your meals delicious and packed with health benefits. Oregano, a fragrant herb native to the Mediterranean region, has been a staple in various cuisines worldwide for centuries. Known for its robust flavor and aromatic qualities, oregano is a critical ingredient in Italian, Greek, and Mexican dishes. Its popularity extends beyond its culinary uses, as it is also celebrated for its medicinal properties. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, oregano is believed to support immune health, improve digestion, and even possess antimicrobial properties. These health benefits, along with its versatile flavor profile, make oregano a beloved herb in many kitchens and a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. But how to select the best oregano? When choosing oregano, it's essential to consider whether you prefer fresh or dried varieties. Fresh oregano offers a more vibrant flavor, and is ideal for dishes where the herb is added at the end of cooking, or used as a garnish. Look for bright green leaves, without any signs of wilting or discoloration. On the other hand, dried oregano is more concentrated and can withstand longer cooking times, making it perfect for sauces and stews. To identify high-quality dried oregano, check for a strong pleasant aroma and a deep green color. Avoid any packages with faded leaves or a musty smell, as these are indicators of old or poorly stored herbs. By selecting the best oregano, you can empower your cooking with robust flavors and health benefits. To prepare fresh oregano for cooking, start by thoroughly washing the leaves under cold running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Gently pat the leaves dry with a paper towel, or use a salad spinner to remove excess moisture. Once dry, strip the leaves from the stems by running your fingers down the stalks. For chopping, gather the leaves into a small pile and use a sharp knife to finely chop them to your desired consistency. To store fresh oregano, wrap the stems in a damp paper towel, and place them in a plastic bag in the refrigerator, where they can last up to a week. Keep dried oregano in an airtight container in a cool dark place, to maintain its flavor for up to 6 months. Oregano is a versatile herb that can elevate the flavors of many classic dishes. For instance, it is a key ingredient in pizza, adding a robust earthy flavor that complements the tomato sauce and cheese. In pasta dishes, oregano can be used in the sauce to enhance the overall taste with its aromatic qualities. Greek salad is another dish where oregano shines, providing a fragrant and slightly bitter note that balances the freshness of the vegetables and the saltiness of the feta cheese. Top chefs recommend adding oregano toward the end of the cooking process, to preserve its flavor and aroma. Additionally, they suggest pairing oregano with other herbs like basil and thyme, for a more complex and layered taste profile. Oregano is a versatile herb that can be used creatively beyond traditional Italian dishes. For instance, it can be a delightful addition to marinades, providing a robust flavor to meats and vegetables. Oregano adds a zesty kick to dressings that can elevate a simple salad. Surprisingly, oregano can even be used in desserts. A hint of oregano in a chocolate mousse or a fruit compote can introduce an unexpected depth of flavor. One chef's secret recipe involves using oregano in a lemon oregano sorbet, where the herb's earthy notes balance the tartness of the lemon, creating a refreshing and unique dessert experience. Oregano pairs exceptionally well with various herbs and spices, enhancing the overall flavor profile of many dishes. It complements basil, thyme and rosemary, making it a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. Additionally, oregano works well with garlic, onion and chili flakes, creating a robust and aromatic base for many recipes. Examples of spice blends that include oregano are Italian seasoning, which combines oregano with basil and thyme, and za'atar, a Middle Eastern blend that mixes oregano with thyme, sumac, and sesame seeds. These blends can be used to season meats, vegetables and even bread, adding flavor to any meal. Oregano is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to any diet. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C and K, and essential minerals like iron and manganese, oregano helps boost the immune system, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Nutritionists often highlight its antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off infections. Chefs recommend incorporating oregano into a healthy diet by using it fresh or dried in various dishes, from salads and soups to marinades and sauces. Its robust flavor not only enhances the taste of meals, but also contributes to overall well-being. However, you can make some common mistakes when using oregano in cooking that you should better avoid. When cooking with oregano, one common mistake is using too much of it, which can overpower other flavors in the dish. To avoid this, start with a small amount and adjust to taste. Another mistake is adding oregano too early in the cooking process, which can cause it to lose its flavor. Instead, add it toward the end of cooking to preserve its aromatic qualities. Additionally, using dried oregano instead of fresh without adjusting the quantity can lead to an imbalance in flavor. Remember, dried oregano is more concentrated, so use about 1/3 the amount of fresh oregano called for in recipes. By following these tips, you can ensure that oregano enhances your dishes, without overwhelming them. Top chefs explain that oregano is a versatile herb that enhances the flavor of various dishes, from Italian pasta sauces to Greek salads. They suggest using fresh oregano for a more robust flavor in salads and garnishes, while dried oregano works wonders in slow-cooked dishes like stews and soups. Additionally, top chefs share a pro tip: to release the essential oils and maximize the herb's flavor, gently crush dried oregano between your fingers before adding it to your dish. As we wrap up our culinary journey today, let's take a moment to appreciate the humble yet extraordinary herb, oregano. From its robust flavor that elevates our dishes, to its myriad health benefits, oregano truly is a gift from nature. Whether sprinkled over a fresh salad, infused in a hearty stew, or brewed into a soothing tea, oregano brings a touch of magic to our kitchens and lives. Remember, every time you use oregano, you're not just adding flavor, but embracing a centuries-old tradition of wellness and culinary excellence. So, next time you cook, let oregano be your secret ingredient, infusing your meals with its rich aroma and powerful health benefits. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful adventure. Please like, comment and share this video, so more people can find it. Also remember to subscribe because in the next video, I will tell you how to prepare 5 wonderful recipes with oregano to strengthen your immune system, lungs, and overall health. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking with love.